In today's video, we will see how to create attendance sheet in Google Sheets. This format will be fully dynamic and most of the things will be formulated. The most interesting part about this format, you can select month start date as per your requirement or as per your choice. It's not necessary to start the month from 1st. In case you want to start your month from 15th, you can. In this format, we are going to use macros. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Monk. Let's start the video without any delays. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the top, we have got month and year, and we can see select month and select year. On the right hand side, we can't see anything. No dates or no days. I'll select month from here. We'll select January. Select year. I'll click on drop down and we'll select 2025. As soon as I selected 2025, we can see dates on right hand side. Even our days are visible. Along with dates and days, we can see our holidays also. Over here we can see current month, today's date and today's day. The start date of this format is 1st. I'll change it. I'll do it 15th. Enter. Just notice on right hand side. The first day of the month is 15th. When we come to right hand side, the end date is 14th. I'll come to left and we'll do the start date as 16th. Enter. When I'll come to right hand side, my end date is 15th now. And when I'll do it first, enter. On the right hand side, we can see 31st as last date of the month. I'll come to left, we'll click on drop down and we'll select February. We'll come to right hand side and the end date of February is 28th. We'll come to left. Over here we can see total days of the month, total working days, total holidays and total week offs. Currently total days are 28 and total working days are also 28 because I haven't selected my week offs. Just under month and year, we have got the option to select our week offs. We can select 2 week offs from here. I'll click on drop down and we'll select Saturday. As soon as I selected Saturday, on the right hand side, all the Saturdays got highlighted. Now I'll select Sunday and all the Sundays got highlighted. In case you have got just 1 week off, click on drop down and select none and just 1 week off will be highlighted. In case your week off is not on Sunday and it's on Friday, just select Friday from here and all the Fridays for the month will be highlighted. Over here we have got total present, total absent, total paid leaves and total unpaid leaves. In case you want to insert more heads, you can. In this format, we have got total 2 sheets. First one is settings. In settings, we will have our weekdays, months, year and holidays list. And second sheet is January sheet. I'll change the month and we'll do it January. Once your month is complete, no need to create the copy of this format. Just go to extensions, macros, and when we come to right hand side, over here we have got an option of new month. I'll click over here and just notice new sheet got created by the name of new month. And on the top we can see select month and select year. Let's delete this. This is the format of January. I'll come to left. We'll go on top. We'll come to right. We'll put some data over here. P. P is for present. I'll drag this down. We'll copy this, Ctrl-C or Command-C and we'll paste over here, Ctrl-V or Command-V. Now I'll go to extensions, macros and we'll click on new month. New sheet got created and this sheet is totally blank. You have to select the month from here, February, and select the year. And all the things will be visible. Let's start creating a new format now. I'll go to Google Drive, we'll come to left hand side and over here we get an option of new. I'll click on new. Over here we have got the option of Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides and Google Forms. Our requirement is Google Sheets. So I'll click on Google Sheets. A new Google Sheet got opened. I'll close this. We'll delete this. We'll rename the sheet as settings. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll come in the center and we'll align all the things in mid. I'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2. This will be weekdays, months, year, enter. I'll select the whole row and we'll align all the things in center. Weekdays. Before inserting our weekdays, I'll type none. Enter. Now I'll type Monday, M-O-N, enter. We'll drag this till Sunday. We'll delete this. Months. On top of months, I'll type select months. Enter. January, enter. We'll drag this till December. Year 2025, enter 2026, enter. We'll align this in left. We'll select both the years and we'll drag this down. We'll click on weekdays and we'll select all the data. We'll come in the center and we'll create borders. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll take column E closer. Over here we will insert our holidays list, and I'll take my holidays list from my example file. We'll copy this from top, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll go to my blank format and we'll paste over here, Ctrl+V or Command+V. We'll adjust the column size. We'll select the whole row of headings and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. Perfect. Now we will go to View, Show, and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll click on top of dates and we'll align all the things in left. We'll align the heading in center. We'll change color over here. Our setting sheet is ready now. We'll insert a new sheet. This will be January. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll get our mouse to column B. We'll right click the mouse. Insert 26 columns right. We'll select the sheet once again. We'll right click the mouse. Insert 52 columns right. Once again we will select the whole sheet. We'll right click the mouse. Insert 104 columns right. Now we have got enough columns to create the format. We will come to left hand side. We'll take column A closer. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll come in the center and we'll align all the things in mid. We'll click on B2 and we'll select C also. We'll come in the center and we'll merge all. We'll drag this till 8. We'll create borders. We'll increase the column size. This will be month and year, week offs, month start date, end date, total days, total working days, total holidays and week offs. Enter. We'll click next to month and year and we'll select E also. We'll select till total holidays and week offs and we'll create borders. Over here we will create drop down for month and year. I'll go to data. When we come down, we get the option of data validation. I'll click over here. On the right hand side, a new window got opened. I'll click on add rule. In case you want to do the entry manually, you can. In criteria, we can see drop down. I'll click over here and we'll select drop down from a range. Just under this, we have got a small box. I'll click over here. We'll go to settings. I'll click over here once again and we'll select months from top. On the top, we have got select months. So I'll select from select months till December and we'll do OK. In case you want to put some color, you can. I'll come down and we'll click on advanced options. We'll come down, display style, I'll select arrow and we'll click on done. We'll go to my January sheet. We'll close this and the drop down of months got created. I'll select January. We'll click next to January. We'll go to data, data validation, add rule. We'll click on criteria and we'll select drop down from a range. We'll click over here. We'll go to my setting sheet. We'll click over here once again. We'll go on top and we'll select years from top and we'll do OK. So the drop down of years got created. Now it's totally up to you if you want to put some color. We'll come down. We'll click on advanced options. We'll come down and we'll select arrow and we'll click on done. We'll close this. We'll go to January sheet. Drop down of years got created. I'll select 2025. We'll select both and we'll align all the things in center. Week offs. I'll select both the cells. We'll go to data, data validation, add rule. We'll click on criteria and we'll select drop down from a range. We'll click over here. We'll go to settings. We'll go on top. We'll click over here once again and we'll select weekdays from top. On top we have got none. So we'll select from none till Sunday and we'll do OK. We'll come down, advanced options. We'll come down once again and we'll select arrow and we'll click on done. We'll close this. We'll go to January sheet. Over here we can see drop down of days. I'll select Saturday and over here I'll select Sunday. We'll select both the cells and we'll change the color. We'll do as red. And we'll change the font color as white. We'll align both the things in center. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to format. Over here we get the option of conditional formatting. I'll click on conditional formatting. Format rules. We'll click on drop down. We'll come down and we'll select is equal to. And over here I'll type none. We'll change the color. We'll select light gray color and font color will be same. And I'll click on done. We'll close this. So whenever we will select none, nothing will be visible. As of now, I'll keep Saturday and Sunday. Month start date. I'll put the start date as 1. Over here you will have to do the entry manually. Enter. We'll align this in center. We'll click next to 1 and we'll insert the formula for first date, and the formula will be plus or equal to date value bracket open. We'll click on 1 and we'll click on month and we'll click on year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll align this in center. We can see some random figure. We'll go to format, number, we'll come down, custom date and time. We'll click over here and we'll select a desired date format. I'll select this one and we'll click on apply. We got 1st Jan 25, end date. I'll click over here. Formula will be plus or equal to EO month means end of the month bracket open. We'll click on start date, comma 0. We'll close the bracket plus we'll click over here on 1 minus 1 and we'll hit enter. We got 31st Jan 25. If I change the month, we'll do as February. We can see last date of February. We'll keep as January. End date. It will be plus or equal to. We'll click over here and we'll hit enter. We'll align this in center. We'll go to format, number. We'll come down, custom date and time, and we'll select this date format and we'll click on apply. So month start date is 1st and end date is 31st. In February it will be 1st and 28th. We'll do as January. Total days. I'll select both the cells and we'll merge this. We'll drag this down. Total holidays and week offs. I'll select both the cells and we'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. Perfect. Formula of total days, total working days, total holidays and week offs will be inserted later on. We will leave row number 9 blank. We'll take this closer. We'll click on B10. Total present, total absent, total paid leaves. We'll adjust the column size. We'll increase column size over here also. We'll drag this. This will be total unpaid leaves. Enter. We'll adjust column size. We'll select the whole row and we'll select next row also. And we'll align all the things in center. Total present, code will be P. Total absent, code will be A. Total paid leaves, code will be PL. Total unpaid leaves, code will be UL. In case you want to insert more heads, you can. I'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to format. We'll go to conditional formatting. Add another rule. Format rules. We'll click on drop down. We'll come down and we'll select is equal to. And over here I'll type P. We'll select green color for P and font color will be white. And we'll click on done. We'll click on add another rule once again. We'll click on drop down is equal to, and this time I'll type A. We'll select red color for A and font color will be white. And we'll click on done. Add another rule. From here we will select is equal to PL. We'll change the color. We'll click on done. Add another rule. We'll select is equal to, and this time I'll type UL. We'll click on drop down and we'll select a desired color. We'll change the font color and we'll click on done. We'll close this. We'll put some color over here. We'll leave column F blank. We'll take this closer. We'll click next to total unpaid leaves. We'll select both the cells. We'll merge this together. We'll drag this till J. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. This will be serial number, employee ID, employee name, and this will be designation. Enter. We'll increase column size of I, serial number. We will click on top and we'll align all the things in center. 1, enter, 2, enter. We'll select both and we'll drag till 10. We'll delete 11, 12. Now we will click on total present and we'll select till total unpaid leaves. We'll select till 10. We'll create borders. Over here also we will create our borders. We'll click on G2 and we'll select till I. We'll select next cell also and we'll merge this together. I'll click just under this and we'll select 3 rows and we'll merge this together. Over here also we will merge the cells. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. Over here we will insert today's date, and for that I'll use today, means plus or equal to today, bracket open, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We got today's date. We'll go to format, number, custom date and time, and we'll select this one, means just 5, and we'll click on apply. We can see today's date. On daily basis it will keep on changing. I'll change the font style. We'll select impact. We'll increase the font size. We'll click on top of date, plus or equal to text, bracket open. We'll click on date, comma, double inverted comma, M, means M 4 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We can see September over here. I'll go to formula bar and just before the formula I'll put upper, 𝑈𝗶𝐵𝐸𝐴𝑟, bracket open. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we can see month's name in bold. We'll copy our formula, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll click just under date. We'll change the cell color. We'll change the font color. We'll go to formula bar and we'll paste our formula, Ctrl+V or Command+V, and we'll hit enter. We'll increase the font size. Over here also we can see September. We'll go to formula bar and we'll delete all M from here and we'll put D, means D 4 times, and we'll hit enter. We can see Friday now. We'll click next to today's date and we'll select till end. We'll merge this together. We'll put some color. This will be holidays. Enter. We'll click on holidays. We'll come in the center. Here we get the option of text rotation. We'll click on the drop down and we'll rotate our text. We'll align this in center. We'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll increase the font size. Perfect. Now let's come to right hand side. We'll click next to holidays and we'll select till end. We'll merge this together. We'll click next to designation. Over here we will insert our dates and days. On top I'll insert my days and below that I'll insert my dates. So first date will be plus or equal to, I'll click on first date over here and I'll hit enter. Suggested autofill, I'll close this. Now I'll click next to first date and we'll insert the formula for second date, and the formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open. We'll click on first date is smaller than. We'll click on last date over here. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the cell will be locked, comma. We'll click on first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket. The basic reason why I inserted double inverted comma in the end, the months which will have days less than 31, it will be blank. Now I'll hit enter. So we got our second date also. We'll select both the columns and we'll adjust the size. Now I'll select both the dates. We'll go to format, number. We'll come down, custom date and time. We'll click over here. We'll click on days, day with leading 0. We'll select this and we'll click on apply. Now we can see 0102. On top I'll insert my days, plus or equal to text, bracket open. We'll click on first date, comma, double inverted comma, D, means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll drag this in second date also. We'll select all and we'll select till end and we'll create borders. Now I'll select second day and second date and we'll drag this till 31st. So dates till 31st got inserted. We'll come to left. We'll click next to holidays and we'll insert the formula for our holidays. And the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Dates will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we'll select our holidays list from top. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the range will be logged, comma, column index number or column number. The selection of VLOOKUP started from dates. So dates will be column index number 1 and holidays name will be column index number 2. So in my format, I want holidays name. I'll put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket. But before hitting enter, I'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We can see new year. We'll come in the center and we'll rotate the text. Rotate text up. We'll align this in center. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to format. Conditional formatting. Add another rule. We'll click on drop down. We'll go down and from here we will select is not equal to. We'll click just under this, not equal to blank. For blank I'll put double inverted comma twice. Means if the cell will not be blank, then only it will be highlighted. And if it will be blank, it will not be highlighted. We'll click on drop down and we'll select a desired color. We'll change the font color and we'll click on done. We'll close this. Now we will drag this till end. Till end we can see the color. We'll go to format, conditional formatting. This is the last conditional formatting what I had inserted. We'll click over here. Let's click on drop down and select greater than blank and click on done. We'll close this. We'll come to left. We'll create outside border. We'll put some color over here. Now we will go to view, show and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll select from 1st till 31st and we'll adjust the column size. We'll come to left. Now we will highlight our holidays. We'll click on first day. We'll select till end. We'll press shift control right arrow key. We'll come to left. We'll go to format, conditional formatting, add another rule. We'll click on drop down. We'll come down and we'll select custom formula is, and our formula will be plus or equal to. We'll click on first holiday, but the formula is not taking the cell reference. So we will have to insert our formula manually. The cell reference of this is K2. So I'll type K2 over here. Is greater than 0 or blank. Just between K and 2, I'll insert $sign. It's highlighting all the cells. So better I'll do this blank, greater than blank. For blank, I'll put double inverted comma twice. We'll click on drop down and we'll select a desired color. We'll change the font color and we'll click on done. We'll close this. So my holidays got highlighted. When I come to right hand side, over here also one holiday is highlighted. We'll come to left and we'll change the month. We'll do as February and the highlight got vanished. We'll do it as January once again. Now we will highlight our weekends and weekends will be managed from here, means from these two cells. When we will select none, none of the days will be highlighted, and whenever we will select any specific day, that specific day will be highlighted. Let's come to right hand side. We'll click on first day and we'll select till 10, means till last cell. We'll press shift control right arrow key. We'll come to left. We'll go to format, conditional formatting, add another rule. We'll click over here. We'll come down and we'll select custom formula is, and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on first day. The formula is not taking cell reference, so we will have to insert cell reference manually. We can check the cell reference in the end on top. It's K10. K10. But between K10, I'll insert $. We'll click in the end is equal to. We'll click on first week off. Cell reference is D3. So I'll type D3 over here. Now we will put $, just before D and $1 in the center. We'll click on drop down and we'll select red color and font will be white. And we'll click on done. We'll close this. So our Saturday got highlighted. We'll leave this selected. We'll go to format once again. Conditional formatting. Add another rule. We'll click on drop down. We'll come down and we'll select custom formula is. Formula will be same, plus or equal to. We'll click on first day. Cell reference is K10. So I'll type K10 over here. But between K and 10, I'll put dollar. Is equal to. I'll click on second week of this time. And the cell reference is E3. I'll come over here and we'll insert E3. We'll put dollar just before E and after E. We'll click on drop down and we'll select red color and font will be white. And we'll click on done. We'll close this. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. If I select none from here, only Sunday is highlighted. And if I select none over here also, none of the days are highlighted. If I select Friday, only Fridays are highlighted. In case you have got just one day as week off, just select in one cell, not in both the places. Because in that case our formula will not work properly. Let's keep Saturday and Sunday as of now. Now I'll come to left hand side. Total present. Formula will be plus or equal to 𝐶𝐓, bracket open. We'll click just under first date and we'll select till end. We'll press function F4 or F4 3 times, comma, we'll come to left and we'll click on code of total present. We'll press function F4 or F4 2 times, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll align this in center. We'll drag this down and we'll drag this till unpaid leaves. All the formulas got inserted, but some of our formulas are still pending. Total days, the formula will be plus or equal to 𝐶𝐓, bracket open. I'll click on first day of the month and we'll select till last day of the month. In case you want to select dates, you can. So all the dates are selected, comma, double inverted comma, star, question mark, double inverted comma close, bracket close. In case you want to put star after question mark, you can. Now I'll hit enter. We'll come to left. We got total 31 days. We'll align this in center. When the month will change, February, we can see 28 days. We'll do as January. We'll come to left. Total working days. Formula will be plus or equal to 𝐶𝐓, bracket open. We'll click on first day and we'll select till end. Comma. We'll come to left and we'll click on first week off. We'll close the bracket. Plus, we'll copy our formula. Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll come in the end and we'll paste the formula. Ctrl+V or Command+V. Enter. We'll align this in center. We got the figure as 8 because currently it's counting all the week offs. So we will go to formula bar. We'll come in the beginning. We'll click on total days minus total week offs. Enter. Now total working days got 31. From this we will have to reduce our holidays. I'll go to formula bar minus holidays and I'll hit enter. Still we can see 31. Let's insert the formula for holidays. Plus or equal to 𝐶𝐓, bracket open. We'll select holidays from 1st till 31st, comma, double inverted comma, star, question mark, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Let's come to left. Let's align this in center. So we got total 2 holidays and total working days got reduced to 29. We'll click over here and we'll insert the formula for week offs. Let's go to total working days. Now let's copy formula from center. Means both the functions of 𝐶𝐓. Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll click next to holidays plus or equal to and we'll paste the formula what we have copied right now. Ctrl+V or Command+V and we'll hit enter. So we got 4 week offs. If I'll do this Saturday, 8 week offs. If I'll do this none and over here also I'll do none. So week offs got 0. I'll keep Saturday and Sunday. We'll click on month's name. Don't be confused why it's showing September. It's showing September because it's today's date. We'll select till Friday and we'll select till 31st. And we'll insert outside border. We'll come to left. All the things are done in this format. Now we will do some entry. P, enter, P, enter, A, enter, PL, enter, UL, enter. So I have done few entries. Now we will record our macros. We'll come to left, we'll go on top. We'll go to extensions. And over here we get the option of macros. I'll click on record macro. Recording new macro, we get two options. Use absolute reference and use relative reference. By default, it's clicked on use absolute reference. We will leave this. Now we will click on sheet's name, that is January. We'll right click the mouse and we'll click on duplicate. Duplicate of January got created. We'll go on top, we'll click on January and we'll select months. We'll click on year and we'll click on select year. We can see some error over here. We'll click on the cell, we'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll click on last date, we'll go to formula bar, if, bracket open, start date is equal to blank. For blank, I'll insert double inverted comma twice. If the start date will be blank, in return I want blank. So I'll insert double inverted comma twice once again, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Week offs, I'll do none. And over here also I'll do none. We'll click on drop down over here. Now we will come to right hand side. In case you want to keep employee ID, employee name and designation, then select your data from here. And in case you want totally blank sheet, then select your data from here. In my case, I'll keep my employee ID, employee name and designation. And I'll select from here. We'll select till last employee and we'll select till last date. And we'll delete all the things. We'll come to left and just check all the data got deleted. We'll rename the sheet. This will be new month. We'll come to left and we'll click on first employee. We'll go to extensions, macros and we'll select save recording. Name, I'll give macro a name, that will be new sheet or new month. In case you want to keep some shortcut, you can. I'll click on save. Saving new macro. My macro got saved. I'll delete new month from here. Delete. OK. I'll come to right and we'll insert the data till 31st. Control C or Command C. We'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. We'll paste the data. Control V or Command V. We'll paste data over here also. Perfect. Now come to left. Let's go to extensions, macros and let's click on new month. It took some time to create the new sheet, but new sheet is just in front of us. We can see new month. We will rename this. This will be February. We'll go on top. We'll select the month. We'll select the year. And sheet of February is ready. Once the entry is done, again go to extensions, macros, new month. Blank sheet of new month got created and our format is ready. I'll provide link of this format in description box. In case you want to download, you can. But the download option is only for channel members. You can join the channel membership to download the file. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.